How did geography impact the development of ancient Greece? From the rugged coastlines of the Aegean Sea to the rolling hills of the interior, the landscape and natural resources of the region had a profound effect on the ancient Greek people. In this video, we investigate the importance of geography and examine how it helped shape the growth of this incredible civilization. Ancient Greece was a region of city-states located in the southeastern part of Europe on the Balkan Peninsula. The geography was varied and included mountains, hills, valleys, islands, and coastlines. The mainland of ancient Greece was divided into three distinct regions: northern and central Greece and the Peloponnese. These regions were not just geographical divisions, but also cultural and political entities, each with its own unique identity. The rugged mountains, acting as natural barriers, were instrumental in creating isolated city-states, each with its own distinct culture and government. For example, the city-state of Athens was located in central Greece and was one of the main centers of the time. In addition to the mainland, ancient Greece also included many islands such as Crete, Lesbos, and Samos, as well as numerous smaller islands. The islands were known for their mild climates, beautiful landscapes, and rich vegetation. They supported diverse farming practices, while their strategic locations also made them important hubs for trade and cultural exchange. Seas and coastlines were another important aspect to the overall geography of ancient Greece. In fact, the Aegean Sea had a major impact on the lives of the people who lived along its coastline. For instance, it was a major source of food, including fish and other seafood. It was also an important trade route for the ancient Greeks. The Aegean Sea also played a major role in the development of seafaring and navigation, and many of the ancient Greek city-states were located on the coast. The geography of ancient Greece also greatly influenced the diet and farming practices of its people. They cultivated grains, olives, and grapes and raised livestock, adapting their agricultural practices to the land's terrain and climate. Overall, the geography of ancient Greece played an important role in shaping the culture, economy, and history of the ancient Greek civilization.